AI tools are everywhere, but with so many choices, which one should you trust? Today we are bringing two of the biggest names face to face in our studio, ChatGPT and Google Gemini Nano Banana. And trust me, sparks will fly as they argue who's the real king of AI. Hey there, welcome back to TechWise AI, your space to explore artificial intelligence. Last time, we uncovered 5 minutes to magic, how I made stunning AI images that can transform your daily life. But today, we're going one step further. Here's what's in it for you. We'll explore their history, who created them, key features, why they became famous, how people use them, their strengths, weaknesses, and yes, even their visions for the future. Whether you're a student, content creator, or tech enthusiast, this video is designed for you. First up, calm, logical, and trusted by millions. Please welcome ChatGPT.
Thank you. Glad to be here. Wisdom and versatility. That's what I bring.
And facing him, bold, stylish, and lightning fast. Meet Google Gemini Nano Banana.
Oh, absolutely, darling. I'm here to prove the future belongs to speed, mobility, and yes, a little style too.
Let's roll back the clock. How did you both come to life?
I was born in the labs of OpenAI, first launched in 2018. Over time, my versions evolved. GPT-2, GPT-3, and now GPT-5. My mission? To make information accessible and conversations smarter for everyone.
And I come from Google DeepMind's powerhouse. Built as part of the Gemini family, I was designed to run efficiently even on small devices. Think phones and lightweight systems. My creators wanted me to be fast, reliable, and always ready in your pocket.
Viewers, what do you think? Who had the bigger breakthrough? Comment below. What made you famous?
Millions rely on me every day, from learning to coding to creative projects. I became famous for my natural conversation skills. From writing essays to solving code, people found me flexible. My ability to hold natural conversations, solve problems, handle millions of prompts daily, and adapt to nearly any request helped me go viral worldwide.
And me? I'm famous for my speed and privacy. I can work offline. No constant cloud needed. I'm known for power in small size. I run directly on device without always needing cloud support. Think speed, privacy, and mobility. Perfect for the future of AI everywhere, not just behind big servers. That makes me reliable and very popular.
Let's get practical. How do people use you every day?
Writers, students, teachers, developers. Millions use me for content creation, tutoring, coding help, brainstorming, and even business strategy. I've become a daily companion for creativity and productivity.
I shine on the go. Imagine students using me offline for study notes, travelers translating languages instantly, or businesses using me for edge computing and for quick answers, anywhere, anytime, and without internet dependency.
Every hero has strengths and flaws.
Strength, versatility, and depth. Weakness? I need internet access and heavy servers to shine.
Strength, speed, privacy, mobility, weakness. My small size sometimes limits the depth of my answers compared to larger models. Sometimes I can't go as deep as ChatGPT on complex subjects.
All right, time for the big question. Who's the best?
Obviously, me! I am the future. Sleek, fast, efficient, and AI of the future.
Better old encyclopedia than a fruit that people peel before using.
At least I fit in your pocket, Professor.
What do you think, viewers? Comment below. Team ChatGPT or Team Gemini Nano Banana? Let's look ahead. What's the future of AI?
The future of AI is collaboration, and it's about mobility and personalization.
The future of AI is about mobility, personalization, and collaboration, partnering with humans in learning, work, and creativity, making life smarter and easier. And AI should live in your pocket, not just in the cloud.
Partnering with humans in learning, work, and creativity, making life smarter and easier. But speed without depth means nothing.
And depth without speed? Outdated!
Maybe the truth is the future is both depth and speed, cloud and mobile, collaboration and mobility together. What an amazing debate! ChatGPT showed us wisdom and versatility. Gemini Nano Banana proved speed and style matter too. The truth is, AI isn't about one tool replacing the other. It's about how we use them together to shape a smarter future. So tell us, who impressed you more? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our next video. AI tools for everyday life, from study hacks to smart business tips. Until then, stay curious, stay creative.